It's almost 370 days that you have started your preparation. Maybe it's more for few people who have been preparing for NEET PG exam since 2 or 3 years, right? You have come such a long way, seeing ups and downs, preparing far from home and some preparing from home itself. In just 4 days, you are going to give an exam that will show path to your career. A day you, your parents and your loved ones are waiting for. So far, you might have had many study plans, many strategies and various books you might have studied and prepared yourself for something that is really precious in your life. Today, here in this video, I'm going to tell you few things about how you will feel on the exam day and how you should face things like tension, stress and anxiety, and how you should prepare your mindset to be strong enough, to be daring enough and to be confident enough to attempt the NEET PG exam. But did you subscribe to my channel? If not, go subscribe to my channel, Dr. JTM. With no delay, let's begin it. Hey guys, this is Dr. JT, General Medicine Resident and a part-time YouTuber, and I welcome you to my channel, Dr. JTM. So I want to share something that happened to me in the last week to NEET PG exam. Like I gave you guys the 10-day plan, I also had a similar plan to study in the last 10 days. To be frank, making a study plan is really easy, but how well you execute it really matters. And that too, following that plan perfectly really needs a strong will and determination. When I started the plan, it's the same for me too. Like many of you guys have that fear, what's gonna happen to my exam? How will I able to do it? And many stupid thoughts keep on bothering me. But yes, the level of stress at this point of time, this whole week is next level. You know, that tension vibe kept on touching me for every hour, and the first 2 days really went subnormal. That's not satisfactory. I told myself this is not how it should go in these last 10 days to NEET exam. Exactly 7 days to NEET PG exam, NB started rolling out the admit cards. Everyone are receiving their admit cards to their mail or to their registered account. So my senior called up, who is preparing along with me, that saying admit cards are released and go download it. So I checked my mail, I checked my account, there is no admit card. I was a bit confused why I haven't received the admit card. I thought let's wait till the evening. I didn't receive any. I thought okay, let's wait till the morning. I didn't receive any. The very next day morning, I have received a mail from NBE saying that there is a fault with your signature that you have uploaded. That is why we have kept your hall ticket on hold and kindly send the signature to our mail ID. Like now in 2019, they haven't provided the edit window option if there is a mistake with your thumb impression or signature or photo. So I have sent my signature to their mail ID and I've been waiting for my admit card to reach me. It's just 6 days to NEET PG exam and there is no update from NBE. Me, my dad and my sister kept on calling NBE toll-free number, but nobody really picked up. Even if they picked up, they too don't know when will the admit cards be given. 5 days left to NEET PG exam and still there is no update from NBE. I have no clue what's going on. I don't know. I have been studying, but it's like an absent-minded preparation. Now the original tension really started to me, because if there is no admit card, they'll not be allowing me to write the exam. And all your hard work of 350 days, sleepless nights, countless crying days, all goes in vain. And your dream gets shattered away just like that. 4 days to NEET PG exam and still nothing. I haven't received any admit card. I haven't slept properly and my parents didn't stop calling NBE. This problem has occurred for at least 8,000 to 10,000 people in the country, and NBE is playing every game with our emotions and giving us that mental stress. When it's just 3 days to NEET PG exam, I have received a mail from NBE saying that this is your provisional admit card that allows you to write the exam, but you need to sign in few forms at the exam hall. That's a big relief for me, big relief. All the tension, fear and anxiety are just gone in a second like that. Because I'm writing the exam. No matter what happens, in the path to success we will face hundreds of hurdles in life. All the situations may turn bad, your health might get affected, the conditions might not favor you at all. But you should never ever give up till you reach the finish line. Those 4 to 5 days are real torture to me. But what pushed me harder is, okay, anything can happen. I might write the exam, I might not write the exam, but I'm not stopping my preparation here now. I'm going forward, I'm studying till the last day and the last minute, and let me put all the efforts that I need to put. Once I have received my admit card, I'm really in a euphoria. I have been revising the subjects like anything, and I have gained enough confidence because I have prepared. Yes, maybe not 100% of everything, but 100% of hard work. I believed in myself. And you know what? Situations that are tough don't make you weaker. Those will make you more tough. It's the same for you. You have prepared well. You no need to think about, can I recollect this, or will I be able to remember what I studied, or will I be able to get a PG seat, or I have studied well, or will I do properly in the exam? You know what? Nothing really matters because you have studied so many days, and all you need is a bit of confidence. You have done all that needs to be done, and the rest will happen according to your hard work. And what about luck? Luck favors the brave. You need to be strong and confident. Definitely you will beat the odds. Let the time test you in every possible way, but you are not dropping it till you get a PG seat. Few tips from my side regarding what you need to study. Just before the exam day, you need to sleep as early as possible, just by 11 or 12. Don't be so eager that you need to study till 2 or 3, because if you don't have enough sleep, even though the exam is at afternoon, you will be so lazy and drowsy, and you don't want to ruin it that way. Till the exam day, you just stick onto your plan and go accordingly. On the exam day, you need to wake up early by 5 or 6 a.m. Just start with the 20th book that you have prepared during the preparation, where you have written all the important points of 19 subjects to revise. Or you can also study my stick notes, where I have written 19 subjects of revision points, which will be really helpful. Many might have it. If you don't, then go get the PDF given below in the description. And you need to complete that stick notes or the 20th book within 5 to 6 hours. Then what you should do? Many have this feeling that they need to look into every subject, or they need to study all the books in this last minute. But I will suggest only 3 subjects that are very important to revise in this last minute. That is pathology, pharmacology and SPM. Just have a quick glance at all the important topics of these 3 subjects in this last minute before you go to the exam hall. On the exam day morning, just before you start to the exam hall, keep your calm, stay composed, have that inner peace, and no discussions with anyone, no phone calls with anyone. Just stay on that exam mode. That's all for today. Hope you all loved this video, and my next video will be about how you should be ready to attempt the final exam and what should be your mindset in the exam hall. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Dr. JTM. I'll be back with another great video. Till then, bye. See you again.